Hello, and let's open the Sonny Angels Fruit Series. These are the options. What I really want is either the strawberry or melon or pineapple or raspberry. Let's see what we will be getting. Okay, we have this, and we're gonna open it. And we got a raspberry. I wanted one of these. It looks like a raspberry. There's a stem. It's pink, hot pink, dark pink, fuchsia, whatever color, and big stomach and butt, and it also has wings because it's called Sonny Angel. Okay. Hello, and we're going to be opening a Sonny Angel. Hello, and we're going to be unboxing this dressing Sonny Angel series. So you see, from the options that we had, we got the option where they are putting their shirt on, which is the second option here. You see how it's very cutesy, very demure, very classy. See how he puts on his shirt? Yeah. Hello, and we're gonna be opening the happy birthday gift bear Sonny Angel. So, and it's not my birthday, I just wanted to buy it. This is what it looks like in the inside, and it came with a packet. Now let's open it. Aww, it's this. Thank you for watching. So as you can see, it's a baby Sonny Angel, and it's in a purple baby suit with a nice party hat and a heart balloon saying happy birthday.